This video provides details of air testing requirements of the LEED 2009 IEQ Credit 3.2 building standard. It applies to the new construction, schools, and commercial interiors ratings systems. LEED registered building projects must be certified by one of the official certifying bodies designated by the Green Building Certification Institute, GBCI, for this activity. The air testing methods to be used must ultimately meet the approval of the certifying body that will be reviewing and approving the project. Perhaps the best way to approach this is either to ensure the certifying body provides a list of acceptable methods for the project, or, alternatively, to provide Galson's list of methods specified to the certifying body for approval. The methods we provide for sampling and analysis represent Galson's interpretation of the most effective, accurate, and valid methods to achieve compliance with LEED rating systems as they are currently written. Ultimately, what matters is the acceptance of the data by the relevant certifying body. LEED IEQ Credit 3.2 air sample testing should be conducted as follows. 1. All measurements shall be conducted prior to occupancy, but during normal occupied hours, and with the building ventilation system starting at the normal daily start time and operated at the minimum outside airflow rate for the occupied mode throughout the duration of the air testing. 2. The building shall have all interior finishes installed, including but not limited to millwork, doors, paint, carpet, and acoustic tiles. Non-fixed furnishings such as workstations and partitions are encouraged but not required to be in place for the testing. 3. The number of sampling locations will vary depending upon the size of the building and number of ventilation systems. For each portion of the building served by a separate ventilation system, the number of sampling points shall not be less than 1 per 25,000 square foot, or for each contiguous floor area, whichever is larger, and include areas with the least ventilation and greatest presumed source strength. 4. Air samples shall be collected between 3 feet and 6 feet from the floor to represent the breathing zone of occupants and over a minimum 4-hour period. The following sample setup sequence assumes you will be sampling for all 5 analytes needed to meet IEQ Credit 3.2. Simply leave out all that do not apply. The sequence is designed to make the most efficient use of time based on a 4-hour sampling time per zone. It also presumes that all sampling will be performed simultaneously. Project situations may dictate following a different sequence for greatest efficiency. Use best judgment when determining the sequence of sample placement for actual monitoring, according to the IEQ Credit 3.2 standard. Questions? Contact Galson Laboratories by phone, email, or IH Live Chat. You may also access our extensive library of other helpful videos at galsonlabs.com. Thank you.